Hey folks, good morning. So after Nagarhole, we came and stayed in a place. I'll show you the place slightly forward. And I'm walking on the streets, so I might look a little exhausted and it may look a little unstabilized. And the other part was we went to the trekking, not trekking, basically the safari. We didn't find anything apart from deer, bit of porcupines or wild pigs so called, and then a couple of other things. Deer was common, so that's all we could see. And we did spot elephant while we were driving through. And just one pro tip, if you're coming in bikes, they won't allow you inside Nagarhole. It's only cars, just for safety purpose. And then we had booked an interior place, so we came here, we brought our bikes here, and there's the entrance. So with that, I'll go up and see. So like I told you sometime before, this is a place that we stayed. So this is a place called KSTDC registered. So 1,000 rupees per person. You also get some bonetry inside as well. So that is the entrance for Nagarhole. We can't take this route only because it is absolute stupidity. Because there's only cars that they can go inside, not two-wheelers. And it is what it is, and now we are heading. So basically, if we go towards this route, it will reduce 20 kilometers. Since we are come by bikes, we will take this route, and eventually it will add up to another 20 kilometers, which means we will go to Bonikoppa, and then followed by. So the boys are ready. Let's roll. And that's the condition of my brand new 20 lakhs rupees bike. But it's okay. Adventure motorcycles are meant to be like this. And I've got the Garware PPF. Stupid quality ever. See the scratches, amount of scratches it's got just because of tank bag. And it's not self-healing. I have to go and just rip them apart once I get back. So with that, I'll also show you on the way where you can actually book the safari tickets. I would recommend you to go early morning. But it's just that you need to be lucky to see animals as well. With that. So there's some photo shoots going on. I realized that this bike has a steering damper as well. There it is. Or else it will dance, of course. Let me put my gloves. So basically, this is where local school is there for kids. And we'll also show another thing, which is how to book your tickets per safari. I'll also let you know the prices as well. Now I've got the full bar glove because I was having a lot of dust allergy, so I got fully covered now, and I'll be okay while I start riding. So I made a friend. That's a dog. I made a friend too. And basically, you have to book your safari tickets over here on the right hand side here. So 750 per person if you're not taking the bus. And then 450 if you're taking bus. And 8-member capacity bus it is. And if you don't do it well, you're done. Thank you. Godaita. Siguwa. Thank you. So I made a friend. His name is Shoaib. So he actually opened the store today. So nice guy. He looks like some familiar face. I don't know who's that, but I'll figure that out. This front end shakes a lot. I think visor. I don't know why. Too much of shaking it has. Maybe it's not fitted well, or it is making vibration because of that mobile holder. I don't know. So the next stop probably is in Mysore. We are about 320 kilometers away. So we will roll now. It started raining. It was shining. So basically, in rain mode, the moment I change it, the throttle response reduces, alright. So that is the part about this one, the rain mode. Vandanegalu, Kodugu Grama Panchayati. It reduced. Now let's open up a bit. It won't pull like it actually does. Good way of keeping the motorcycles, bikes, whatever safe. Alright, so we reached Srirangapatna. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 112 kilometers more. So Srirangapatna, it's only not a tourist spot, but however you have something called as Hotel Bhuvaneshwari, which is a very good non-veg hotel. From every single day we are only going to non-veg hotel. So I don't eat meat, but I eat egg. So the plan is to go there now, and 210 kilometers range. I don't think I'm going to fuel up until I reach home is what I'm thinking, because 112 kilometers I'll have a range of about 112. Let's figure that out. So I'll show you the hotel on the way. So just here on, it's about like 2 kilometers or so. So I will show you the hotel. People who are coming to Srirangapatna, it's not only about tourists but also about good food. There's way too many hotels in this road. While I was kid, we used to only go in these roads. Before it was single lane road, then they made a double lane, and then they made a highway. So basically you get the bus here, Srirangapatna bus. This is the landmark when you come in the mornings. Bhuvaneshwari Military Hotel. So this is the hotel that they want to go over, which is very, very famous. Where is the entrance? So this is the hotel pa. People whoever wants to come and eat, please come and eat for good non-veg. So me, just a good boy, I'll only see people eating non-veg. However, it is overrated is what I know. Allah, I won't say no, because I need to also learn how to ride. So this is the place of food. ಅಬ್ಬೇ ಫ್ಲೈಓವರಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಳಿಬೋದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಾಕೊಂಬಂದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಳಿಬೋದು, ಹಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ವಿ ತುಂಬ. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಗೂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ತೋ, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ನಾವು. ಯಾರು ನಾನು